What is going on YouTube? Today I got a brand new YouTube video for y'all. As y'all from the title, today we're going to be unboxing the Mavic Air 2 Fly More combo. So this combo comes with a variety of different accessories. You can get the regular, just the drone by itself, but I got the Fly More combo to be able to fly for a little bit longer. I got this at Best Buy for about $1,300, and yeah, let's get right into it. So the Mavic Air 2 actually has a 1/2 inch sensor. It can record up to 4K at 60 frames a second, and it can take 48 megapixel photos. It has enhanced HDR, photo, video, and panorama. You can take cinematic content at an 8K hyperlapse or even quick shots. You're able to fly longer now with the batteries lasting up to 34 minutes. You're also able to fly smarter and safer because the Mavic Air 2 actually has the obstacle avoidance. It makes it a lot easier because you know that your drone is not going to be really crashing into things or anything like that. So here we have a little box. I'm pretty sure these are the accessories. You guys can see the little blades there. And here we have the actual case. It feels almost waterproof. You can also fly farther and even see clearer because it has the OcuSync 2.0, which means that you can fly your drone up to 10 kilometers far. And it's also pretty compact. As you guys can see, it fits in this little carrying case here. So let's go ahead and open up the carrying case. And here we have, these are the accessories. And then we have the controller here. It's a pretty good sized controller. And then we have the actual drone here. You can see it's nice and compact. And then here we have, looks like the triple battery charger. So go ahead and open up the controller real quick. It's a pretty nice size controller. It fits well in your hands. It has a nice rubber backing right here, so you get a good amount of grip. Here on the bottom we have the actual joysticks for the controller. Just go ahead and just screw them in like this. That makes it really convenient because you don't have to be worrying about losing them or where to put them because they just go right on the bottom of the controller. Here is the drone itself. Arms extend like this, and then the bottom, just open them up like that. It says please charge to activate the battery before using it for the first time. So you have to charge it up all the way before using it for the first time. Let's go ahead and see what comes in this accessories box. So here we have one battery, a little foam protector, and another battery. And then we should have the charger here. Yep, this is the power adapter. And then we have the actual power brick here. Alright, and then in the little box that was in the bigger box, we have some more things. So here we have the actual propellers. Feels like there's more stuff in here. Yep, some more propellers here. Then we have the paperwork here, the startup guides and all that. The good thing about the Mavic Air 2 is that it has a pretty good amount of power, so it won't be flying around like in the wind and getting tossed around and stuff like that as much. And then here we have the drone, the front two obstacle avoidance sensors, the back obstacle avoidance sensors, and then the bottom sensors here. And it says please press the notch to remove the gimbal protector before turning on the power. So let's go ahead and just take off the gimbal protector here. Push that in, remove this, and here we have the actual gimbal with the camera itself. At the top of the bag here, you also get this little zipper here, and this little zipper actually contains the USB-C cord to charge the controller. You also get another cord, another two cords actually to connect to the Android charger and then a USB-C. And then we have a replacement set of the actual joysticks for the controller. So if we open this up, we have this nice little case here. It says DJI. Go ahead and open it up. It should be, if I'm not mistaken, the lenses. Yep, these are the actual lenses for the camera. We have an ND16 lens, an ND64, and an ND256 lens. I'm not really familiar with the lenses, but this is a pretty cool accessory that they also included in the DJI Fly More combo for the Mavic Air 2. Then we also have a power bank adapter, which looks to be like a single charger. So let's go outside and have some fun with it. Alright guys, so here we have the drone. As you can see, it's super windy outside, and I'm not even moving the controller, and it's just staying in one spot. It's not even moving, and it's super windy. And it's just staying there, not even moving. Those 34 minutes of battery life are really going to be cut down just because it's holding up so much wind, but it's just incredible how much stability the drone actually has with this much amount of wind. That is really cool.